Kiamangaza, what can happen in just 48 hours? Uma wayiphethe into zakhe futhi.
All the time. Baby? Baby,
on this side, Uayanda no Malume are fighting over Irimochi TV as always.
Hey!
Why can't you go to work like other grown-ups and leave me and my cartoons in peace? Ayanda, follow what I can for Ayanda. My mom.
What's there?
Whatever way you get somebody, but.
Mama, 3-1.
Juice.
And mina bengiyo bangena ngamashwangshwang out bonang in Tandega.
Mama, Tandega was also Tandega.
Oh.
Welcome to my world, my life, my family, my friends. My highs, my lows, my ups, my downs, my future, who knows? My dad, pretty laid back. Oh, mama want me, always on my case. My sister, pain in the oh, my little, there's a messy badela. My girls, who knows, modella. Who's gonna choice? They come with the package. Issue young for a JJ, love my life. This is my story. This is my diary. This is how it goes. Tandega's diary.
Tommy, awusenhle. Ngathi vele TV niyasho ngathi uzohamba red carpet kuyimasama
Bona.
ufana naye Joma ubaba njengobhelebhele, you understand? Okay Joma. Okay ngiyaba prepare ne? Okay. Bona.
Yo, chance yami le. Here goes nothing.
Shomi? Sabotage. Papa, ngeke ukhole ukuthi uTumu ungijeleni Choma. Yena utshele uLerato obenovuyo noTebogo meyenzeka. uDecember. Uthatha ama driving lessons. Ufike namhlanje kuseni ngesihlahla sika babakhe, wonke umuntu emgqolozele so njenge celebrity Choma. Utshontshe ibonang moment yakho.
Ngikhombisa ngala K53 vibes wakhe.
And
Mina ngumntana we-auto mechanic anukudrive kusegazini lami.
yeah. Kodwa Choma msakhumbula bowuhlulwa nangebhayisikili.
Positivity sihle.
Positivity comrade.
Take measure. Hayi mansisi intoni?
What's Joyce? Nkare ke invisible. Kore nkare ke ntho fela yesa ndisangwe ja ke exist mina.
Ha. Yabona ke naso ke sizathu mina esandenza into banti ndingachati ngiyabona abantwana.
You feel like I'm 50.
Oh, wena man, don't talk rubbish. You don't look a day over 40.
40?
Yeah.
I wanna Joyce, I don't joke. Oh! I don't look that old.
Relax, man. This can be fixed. My cousin runs a beauty spa from home. Half the price of all the spa. Njokuthi it's emergency. I think they cut like. All right.
Malume. I want to be less so. Ugara kunalile moseka.
45.
45.
Jonga, mntaseyaphoola mntasekhaya. Yabona being in your 40s is nothing to be ashamed of.
Get 32.
Ubani wena? Hayi yakhona.
Ukungayena nabantu besifazane. Nibathi banitsafile emendweni. Emva komshado. Niba nje.
King man.
Ngiyagula mshana wami. Yabo ngiyakholwa ile flu le yabo labakhuluma ngayo eredweni yabona ema-TV endabeni.
Swine flu.
Ya. Yona le impela. Kodwa mangingathi ukulala kancane ngiphumule ngicabanga ukuthi ngizoba ngcono.
Osha, Mama Andre told her you're going to have to go to the hospital for that.
I'm mshana wami. Yabona isibhedlela indawo yabantu abalahlisa into sabo abangenasinto.
The hospital is for people who need medicine.
Hayi. Yabona nature. Yabo inayo yonke imithi esidinga usabantu.
Can't need.
No. Yabona wena mshana wami uma nje kuphela ungangapha next door. Ufike ungitholele iminenke 50 snails. Yes. Bese ungitholela insiba sedada. Ungitholele iklabishi ngapha egadini next door. Ngizoba kahle. Ngizoba right.
And if I do, you let me watch my cartoons without any interruptions?
Wow, mshana wami. Ungaphikisana nendoda egula kanje kodwa efayo. Hawu.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye cartoons. Welcome, Karabo. My generations.
This is my story. This is my diary. This is how we go. Sunday story.
Eish, man.
Ay, man.
Awumekancane ngisakhula down ntwana awumekancane.
Khula down Profexin. Yazi ikhutshwa igout manje somisa amadolo. Uzokhona grade.
Awumekancane bro mntwana.
Hey, kiss igout.
Awumone.
Hey, Profex. Ngathi Profex. Ngathi zombie.
Baba, major help needed.
Hey, Thandeka, whatever you find answer khona uno.
Baba, but you can't say no. I was ukuthi ngizocelani. Ngicela ungifundise ukudrive.
Fundisa ukudrive. Hey Thandeka una 17 mos. Ngifisa ukudrive ngani? Ngale Ferrari yami.
No, boleke imoto esitoro.
Esitoro. Thandeka le moto ngiyazilungisa sezokufundisa wena ukudrive man.
No, Baba, you don't get it. This is a matter of life and death by unpopularity.
Thandeka relax. Mina zokufundisa ukutestira, yes?
Huh?
Relax, Profex. Mina ngirinkini ngilanda ikhepu, fulisa umapebeza. Ha. Thebele.
Cut. Lalela sisiya. Mina ngiyogeza manje zokufundisa njengomntanami wena. Huh? Yes. Oh, ay. Show my babe. Hey, hacks, mom. Hey, share us scared. Oh. Chelsea, não quer, Hamad, briga. But you don't drive it. Oh.
Because so I'm going to #die.
No, pero kung hindi niya, Hey, gumana naman naman. Ham. Briga.
Mapoisa.
Briga. Ngicabanga ukuthi lela ke simuva yazi. Nkosi. Briga. Ungawani uzokhuluma nawe. Ngibona lo mama wakho. Baba. Yebo baba. Hambe nathi. Yo. Mamela ngabona. Lungu asawo.
You intention papa?
Kufanele.
You
Hayi sisi, ndiyafuna ukubuza uba uhambe njani isiba kodwa mntaka nje uyika.
Jo, waseba ke decide lo try ntho seding. Tsekiso kanye le trouble phela baka kaofela.
Sisi awunyanzelanga uba usichazele. I think we get the idea.
Waseba ke ne ke sa tsebe hore ntwe e ba bitsang Brazilian. E bohloko.
Hayi man sisi ke yona wena. Shi, ndiqoba utya ngokuza ndigulisa.
Okay. Mamela he. Ke ne ke tlo botsa hore ke bukile di-treatments tsa 32 ne? And then later ke na le appointment e nngwe hape. Intoni? I mean he. What's about di-treatments tse moo? Ke dingata jwang? You won't believe it. Ba kgona ho nka di-wrinkles sefahlong sa hone. Ba di nke ba di emo. Wena o cheese o no cappuccino.
Sisi. Hayi man uyayiqonda kahle into yenzayo.
Sika wara man safe.
Njani sisi wami? Wombona uMichael Jackson bawaphele njani? Ngithethe ngomshoza. Umshoza ayifuna uba yellow bone. Umjongo umhlophe ichoka. Sibhala ngebhodini.
Akhe batho ba mshoza o Michael Jackson. Oh, ke batho ba young Joyce. Ke beta kalane. Wa bona boss. Mamela he. Ke go ba run thuse ne? And then I get now shapa ka Chinese massage.
Mngaseyalo. Ngifuna phone call massage. Mina ngingazi ngithanda bezikimi. Yesu.
Yilika wena. Ndazi wena. Eke letsa ti. Okay, sure. O sure what Chinese massage.
Hayi inkosi sisi.
Uzomkhipha lo muntu. Lokuthi baba wakho lo. Uzomkhiphela yena yangithi. Nale moto ngiyayikhipha. Ngiyakutshela yangithi. You understand? Uzomkhipha lo muntu.
Thandeka. Yazi mama akake believe njani, Ilanga lapho sihamba ngemoto ntshontshiwe akabambi ifoni. Urukwatela ukuthi ukhohle anniversary yethu. That's why yenza so.
Imoto ntshontshiwe.
Suspected. Kuna umuntu ufika ushiye garage athi nizoyilungisa. Gone akasabuyi.
Wait. This is serious.
Ngiyona mntana sizophuma lana so yenza plan.
No, I mean this is the coolest thing that's ever happened to me. And I'm going to Twitter ngoba angina phone.
Twitter. Phela konke niyaziyo ke la. Siboshiyona ucabanga ukutweet. Ayinabantwana lapha, hayi. So. Baba, hayi sikhofa ngomntana manje. Kwenzani lo? Uzothola sosejayivini so.
Shini kanti uzifihla lapha? Mama kuthi ndigadi ke namhlanje mntanami. Wenza ntona?
Kuyadlala fe.
Hayi mantana njini ntona
Wasikhuluma. Kidisine ufela musake.
Hey, jonga sithathe ngukudla hlaba phandle hamba.
You can't tell me what to play with. You're not my mom. It's my right.
Jonga apha right. Urongo. Uright unjalo. Uyazi baba abantwana bangamantombazana abadlala ngesnails. Xa belele ke ngoku bajika babe ngamakhwenkwe.
Oh, you're a very bad man.
Okay ke ungcanile eish. Jonga ke. Ungabuyi uzokhalela mina ke xa ungafumani jonga intshe uyaqonda?
Kinale 9 and boys are like so gross. Anyways, can collect these for a grown up.
Oh, I see. Uthi kubani lo muntu omkhulu mntana?
Nkasikghona go bolela. I'm on an important secret mission.
Yazi ntoni bona nje? Ndicinga uba lo muntu kuthumele into yoba uyofuna abasinyeke aba. Befuna ukugxotha.
Uh-oh. I think she just might be right. How? Malum. Okay.
Shani girl. Le flu iyazama yona ayikho isase West mana ngani kaphi ngcono.
Malum. Kibiri.
Yeah, uyazi ukuthini bathe TV kufanele uphuze ibhiya uma uphethwe iflu ngoba iyayehlisa kancane. Kodwa ngizwa lutho akwenzeki lutho ukuthi uzofanele ngiphuze nje.
What's up? Mara, na, I've collected all the snails that you asked for. Go ahead,
That's nice. It's good. It's just that Shani girl man, umalume ulambile man. Ungakwazi ukuthi uye lapha kulesipaza shop esisezantsi lapha. Ufike ungithengele ikota mshana. Hayi man, mshana man. umalume akanamasenti namhlanje ungakwazi ukuthi mhlawumbe usebenzise le yakho yekheri
nka sebedisa tšhelete ela ke e šomisitseng ka 250 wa bona
Shalike angithi uyazi ukuthi abazali bakho bakukhohlisa babethu kunento ekuthiwa i-tooth fairy ayikho lona
awu ke a itse mara a ke nyako ba utlwisa bohloko wa bona okay bye bye
Shalike sharp Ay kudobo lokufuzisa
Hayi wena Mrs. Simul, akho mntu uza kunotice into yoba you've put on 10 kilos of this operation. Kwenzeka ntoni sisi? Ngithumela amantombazane esitokfela. Yubaza kuhleka. Sisi. Xelele kaloku ndathi ku if it's cheap and made in China, do not inject it in your face. Hey, this is the best conversation we've ever had, yeah? Siswa. Jonga man, ndicinga mali ixesha right ba sithethe ngala ndaba ye-raise unkwelita yona yaqonda? Intoni? Ntoni bezani? Yes. Hayi boyiyo le. Ngasiza mama ndichaze ndathi wena.
Juba. Hello. Babe. I'm hello. You're wrong now, Hey, tell us what you lana. And I put the phone yam lab. I'm a mama can was in clock I mean. So sorry, but you tell upinda. No, no phone. No, man. Man. Hi, tell us number right. Okay, sorry. The country safe.
This is my story. This is my diary. This is how it goes. Sunday is diary goes.
Oh.
Man, sisi, uthi hamba uyophumla ke. Hamba uyolala man cha.
Right, okay.
You, hayi. Sisi, I'm sorry. Sisi, John, ndiyacela please. Khamba uyophumla uthe qonda. Usezinhlungwini kaloku hamba mntazikayo.
Okay, Joyce.
You,
Hey, calm down.
Ndifuna uqiba kaloku. Hamba sisi, please. Phumle unava. Ngema.
Let's go. You guys are the best friends any girl in jail could ever ask for.
Yes, Tommy, angisakholwa ukuthi wena bosejele inwele zakho ziperfect kanje.
Yazi ngiyathi kukhona style esihlangana.
Ukuthi ubani theni ngisiza. Bengizoziphumela mina ejele mos.
Baba, come on. Usigobe kumele abhadale imali extra phezulu kwemali yakho yebail because they thought you were a danger to society.
Danger to society, sissy. I was an innocent man, man. An innocent man will never go down without a fight. One more Denzel Washington. Punya wamphethe lo yana.
Denzel Zulu. Bheka futhi labantu abangithathe le mali kubo bayayifuna. Nabana abadlali ke. Bakhipha la. Nala.
Ukuthi wathanda ukusifaka driving for me.
Bheka futhi la inamba yakho, i-address necard kamalume esasa.
Wenzani?
Baba, sikhuluma ngama driving lessons.
Driving lessons. Thandeka until sithole imoto right, not driver zokufundisa right, then singa drive. Okwamanje hayi sis. Talking about that. Nana, ngicela ungatshela umama ukuthi namhlanje kwenzakaleni ne?
Okay, go to me.
Tell me phone. Tell me abangani bakho bahle amagroza kumanje.
Okay, ngicela pocket money ke.
Ngifuna ukubribe ukuthi manje ungakhuluma la endlini.
No, I won't bribe you when I only give money extra because you feel guilty about taking your daughter driving in a stolen car and then landing up in jail for it.
You did what?
Hey, please.
Lalela.
How can you take Uruleko and a stolen car and let him in jail?
Bex, it's isikhathi sami sokuphuma kanje.
Lalela, Chu. Babe.
That's Mshana is the perfect. Yeah? The best quarter.
We good, Jacques.
What does this mean?
Nice. You have made us a diamond good.
I'm glad you like it. I didn't think you'd like it after I crushed all those nails in there. Bye-bye, Carol. You love that too.
So, I guess it's easy to say ubugebengu akubhadali nokuphaphela ukudriver. And neither does trying to get younger the easy way.
Ngiyaboshwa mina, wena usalulwa nabo Mike Tyson. Beka bakwenzeni. Please.
And if you mess with a 9-year-old girl, uzozizwa.
I've got a dress for you. Take, look. Look, where you going? Where you going?
Baqinisile babathi angeke uzikhethele umndeni wakho. Okusalayo ngibathanda benjalo. And this is my crazy family. But ekugcineni, it's just another ordinary day in my crazy household.